We live in a connected world, and all of that connection is happening through your mobile handset. Everything we do is on this smart device.
TEOCO builds software-based solutions for the telecommunications industry. We have a global client base, and we have approximately 300 carriers distributed all over the world. Our core expertise is both to have a deep understanding of the data that telecom carriers are dealing with, and our ability to handle very large volumes of data to get to what we call actionable insights.
Being able to deliver high-performant quality systems at a lower price is an obvious requirement in our industry today.
When we began to get into handling very, very large volumes of data, it became clear that some sort of a specialized appliances were necessary to analyze that volume of data and to return with the speed at which the customer expects that to. Yellowbrick platform brings an innovation to life that not only allows you to do things that you couldn't do, but allows you to do them at a price point that can be 3 to 5 times lower. We set up a 3-week POC, and we were essentially done at the end of 1 week. That was possible because we could load the data much faster, and the queries that we ran against them ran as is, without any tuning or modification. The performance we saw at the end of 1 week blew us away.
In our testing of Yellowbrick, we compared performance of a 6-rack twin fin to the 6-view baseline Yellowbrick system. And performance was anywhere from 3 to 50 to 100 times faster.
You have this massive downscaling onto a smaller footprint whilst you're increasing the performance of the equipment. And that is an industry game changer.
We expect to save about $5 million over the next several years just in data center costs alone.
We are able to bring our solution to the market with the right size hardware, with the ability to expand as needed, even when the appliance is alive and running.
We had one query that we were unable to get to complete on any other footprint, and it completed well on Yellowbrick within minutes.
And I believe that the Yellowbrick computing platform is so powerful, we will be able to produce insights that have not been produced before.